Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use DHT sensor using an Arduino. What is DHT actually? DHT means digital humidity and temperature. So today we are gonna measure temperature as well as humidity. For this video I'm going to use DHT11 sensor module. This is the pinout and the pretty simple circuit diagram. You can follow this one if you direct use my code. Okay, now the programming section. First you need the DHT library function. It's not pre-installed library. Okay, so you need to install it. How to do it? Pretty simple. Just click sketch, then include library, then manage libraries. Click here. Just type here, wait a bit. Okay, just type here DHT. Okay, this is the library, DHT sensor library by Adafruit, version 1.4.2. Just click here to install. I already installed it. Okay, I'm closing it. Now look at this code. First include the library function, that is include dht.h, h for header file. Okay, after that you need to define the connected pin. Okay, so I'm using A0, A for analog, 0 pin, analog 0 pin. Okay, then you have to create an object, that is DHT obviously. Then the void setup. I wrote serial.begin 9600. It's mean I'm gonna serial communication with Arduino by USB cable. Okay, the delay time 1 second. Actually this is not mandatory. Okay, next the void loop. In loop section just read the sensor value and just print humidity and temperature. Okay, this is the loop section. dht.humidity and dht.temperature, those statements are used to print the value of humidity and temperature. Okay, it's not so difficult. The delay time is 300 milliseconds for update values. Now upload the program, and after uploading just press here to see the result of your temperature as well as humidity.